What's up, world? Welcome back to Radical Investors, where we talk about stocks, crypto, NFTs, and all the ways how to make the money. I'm Wasu, and we're back again, giving you another video on some of the best crypto projects in the market. Today, I'm talking about Popsicle Finance. If you guys remember, this was part of the trifecta that Danny Assesta had back in the day a couple of months ago. They're such good times. To dream about it. But anyway, back in the day, there was Popsicle Finance, Time Wonderland, and Abracadabra Spell. You guys know we're huge fans of Daniel Assesta's ecosystem, even though it might not be popular to say that right now because there's a lot of FUD going on. But we think the guy is an amazing entrepreneur, and we back amazing entrepreneur here. So here's the thing. There was a long development pause on this project because a lot of the devs were out of the Ukraine, right? And we all know what's going on in that part of the world. So there was a huge development pause because a lot of the devs were out in Ukraine, but now they're back, they're working hard, they're shipping code. So before the pause, right, we were talking about this concept of just-in-time liquidity, just-in-time liquidity, or JIT. And this is a process of basically reducing the fees that we're paying on Popsicle Finance and bringing in more capital into the protocol. So they announced yesterday that they have built the code and they are absolutely testing it right now, and things are going great, and they should be looking to deploy it relatively soon. This is absolutely huge because a couple things. At the height of this project, we were at $630 million market cap. Now we're currently at a $2.5 million market cap. There is a lot of room for us to go back up. Even if we got halfway there, a quarter of the way there, it would still be a fantastic thing. I'm not saying that's gonna happen right now, but I'm saying there's a lot of potential in this project. There's a lot of potential in this team. And obviously you guys know we're a huge backer of Daniel Assesta, right? So let's actually get into the video. Let's break down the article that these guys posted on Popsicle Finance's Medium account when they're breaking down what JIT means, what that means for the protocol, and all that beautiful stuff. Let's get
Popsicle JIT engine update. Dear Vikingers, it has been a while since our last update. Our developers have been heads down building the framework for our JIT engine. We are approaching the release and would like to use this new Medium article to explain what JIT is and how the engine works. TL, Doctor, the JIT engine will improve Frogula profitability by reducing the slippage of rebalances and therefore the yield that our current strategies are experiencing. Intro to JIT. JIT, or just-in-time liquidity, is a method of helping that consists of deploying huge amounts of capital into a very tight price range on Unit 3. The JIT liquidity provider deepens the liquidity in that particular trading range and is compensated as they earn the majority of fees for a particular trade. For very large trades,
guys hear that? The JIT liquidity provider deepens the liquidity in that particular trade range and compensates as they earn a majority of the fees for a particular trade. Very cool, guys, very cool.
Collateral. In the past few months, a lot of research has happened on this, and we have realized that it can be very useful to use in tandem with Frogula, our Unit 3 optimizer. Let's understand why. The role of JIT in Frogula. Before understanding why JIT is pivotal in Frogula development, we highly recommend you to first have a read at what Frogula is and how it works here. Over the past few months, we have realized that when rebalancing the ranges in which Frogula operates, we are often swapping a large portion of LP.
Go on to break down in very specific detail the role of JIT in the Frogula, in the absolutely everything that's going on with the protocol. Guys, it's very interesting stuff, right? Very interesting stuff. A lot of stuff over top of the head, but that's what these projects are about. I believe in the team. I believe in team. We've said that from the beginning. At a $2 million, $2.5 million market cap, to me, it's a no-brainer, guys. No-brainer. When the heights of this project at the last bull run, we're sitting at $630 million, and currently right now we're sitting at $2.7 million market cap. It's a no-brainer. That's not to say that projects come back. Sometimes projects stay dead, right? But I think it's very easy to see us jumping up from a $2 million market cap to somewhere, right? 10, 15, 20 million, 30 million, 100 million. it's very easy to see that. So those are the narratives. You know, we're narrative-driven investors. Those are the narratives that we're following right now. And we think it's a great opportunity to get some exposure to Popsicle Finance. There's not that many people talking about it. If you guys want to see us do a series of videos on Popsicle Finance going in depth on what Fragola is, what JIT is, and all these beautiful things, hit the comment section. As always, happy hunting. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.